What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at Epcot for another quick construction update and to check out the Epcot experience. I was here the other night but I didn't get to film it, so I'm going to film that today. We're also going to check out the donut box over by there, all the new merchandise, all that. So if you want to stay up to date with all the Epcot news, make sure to click that subscribe button. Let's go check it out. Alright, so we're up here at the Monorail station about to get on to hear the new announcement, and I always find it funny when they have construction walls. Yeah, you come up here and you can see everything crystal clear. So over here, just a lot of dirt and stuff right now. Nothing huge. But if you head down here, the new tram turnaround loop is coming along super good. They've got the stone wall already done. It looks like there's some new light fixtures right here. Over here as well. And they've got a tree to add all the taste to it. But yeah, their new walkways here are coming along good. This side hasn't been done yet, but looks good so far. And I don't think the tram's gonna come up down here anymore because the loop is right here. So coming along nicely. Give one more quick view. Just a bunch of dirt over here. I'm not exactly sure. I assume this is gonna be walkways, just based on this and the same like pink coating. Not pink coating, yeah, the same. Oh, that's true. Yeah, right here. My dad just pointed out. Up here, it's the same color concrete and rock as this. The light pink, it's just going to connect right up. So this will all be walkway. I just realized that. So this is still far away from being paved, but this loop, they've already got the curbs paved. It's coming along really good. Oh yeah, perfect timing. I'll catch the monorail. This is the one we're about to get on. Yeah. Let's see if we can get this guy to honk at us. Here he comes. Is this the Toy Story one? Yeah, it is the Toy Story 4 one. Meow. No honk. Alright, let's go hear the new announcement talking about the future of Epcot.
Traveling to Epcot, a place that celebrates the world and the magic of possibility. Opened in 1982, Epcot is now undergoing the largest transformation in the history of the park and bringing more ways to dream and be inspired than ever before. On our way, we'll get a grand circle tour of the park, and at the front of the park is a world immersed in science, technology, imagination, and nature. It's a place built to explore, discover, and be inspired. And World Showcase, experience rich diversity from different countries through authentic cuisine, music, film, and cultural experiences. Let's go explore the worlds of Epcot. Exciting things are on the horizon here in Future World. Whether it's rocketing back to the Big Bang with the Guardians of the Galaxy, or exploring a fun new city built on the power of play, these worlds are sure to inspire. If you're looking for an exhilarating sensory thrill ride, step into Mission Space, where you and your flight crew can sign up for one of 2 out-of-this-world missions. And just next door is the new Space 220 restaurant, where you can lift off and enjoy stellar dining in space. At Test Track, You can experience the exhilaration of test driving a vehicle on the longest and fastest ride ever created for Walt Disney World. Across the lagoon is World Showcase, where you'll find representatives from the host countries, making this a truly international exchange. Some exciting new adventures from around the world are coming to France, Canada, China. There's even more for you to explore as you come around to the world of imagination and nature. Inside those glass pyramids, unleash your spark and journey into imagination with Figment and experience your favorite short films like never before at the Disney Pixar Short Film Festival. Next is the Land, where you can celebrate Earth's rich diversity. The Land is also home to Soarin', a free-flying adventure across the wonders around the world. Here at the seas, you'll be able to meet some of your favorite undersea pals from Disney Pixar's Finding Nemo. We're approaching the Epcot Monorail station. For our smoking guests, there are designated smoking areas just outside the park. Please hold onto the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the doors open. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the cast of the Walt Disney World Resort, welcome to Epcot.
Alright, now I'm over by where Club Cool, Fountain View Starbucks, and the Fountain of Nations used to be. They've got amazing new signage on the construction walls with the old/new Epcot logo and these cool little abstract signs. There is a demolition vehicle here on site, so all this is going bye-bye soon for that new festival center, but I did want to look at these because it looks great. Alright, I wanted to show another look at the construction walls, a better view of where this is. There's Mouse Gear right here, the dance party, and that's where I used to go down to those cool construction walls, but they come all the way up out to here now. I'll throw the Monorail clip on scene, showing what they're doing. That's why these walls have come so far out. There's Dustin making his cameos. Alright, over where Taste Track used to be, it is now the Donut Box. I will show the menu real quick. This is a lot better than Taste Track in my opinion. You can't go wrong with sweets. We got a sweet corn fritter with Fresno and red pepper jelly for $5.50. Ooh, red pepper jelly. Strawberry dusted yeast, donut holes for $4. Some smoothies, a strawberry smoothie, Central 28 Beer Company Boston cream donut ale from Florida, black and white coffee cocktail, and a Dasani water bottle. That's what I'm here for, that water bottle. Oh yeah.
I'm here for the $14
So if you're here at the Donut Box, you can get this stuff. And let's go up here real quick to show what else they got. Alright, I found photos. This stuff all looks really good. The smoothies look the best. And that one looks like it has some sort of cookie on top. I'm gonna go over here and show the donuts. Look at how good this looks. Yummy stuff. Alright, over here at Cool Wash, they got rid of the test dummy, and now this is another beverage location. You can make your own layered slushie. So up here you get a slip. You can choose your flavor between Coca-Cola, cherry, orange, banana, Fanta, watermelon, blue raspberry, all that. And then the toppings, Candy Pebbles, Bubba Pearls, Spice Drops, popping candy for $6. Alright, I made it over to the Epcot experience. Not only do they have the model and all the preview of what's coming to Epcot, they've got food. So they've got the popcorn buckets, flavor popcorn, Pop Secret popcorn, Mickey pretzel, assorted chips, an orange and cream bar, an outside fruit bar, Mickey's premium bar, Mickey's premium ice cream sandwich, Coke, Sprite, and the Disney dining plan is all available for this on a snack. See the little pink icon to the right? That means it's available as a snack. So if you're looking for the popcorn buckets, you can come back here and get them, and there's usually no line because not a lot of people realize that you can get food back here. They think that it's just the Epcot Experience model itself, which is right over here. They've got posters along the walls of the theater. I don't know why Disney isn't selling these, to be completely honest.
Okay, I absolutely want to get that picture of it.
Because these are amazing, and they can make a ton of money off these. It's really interesting how they have Coco on Mexico. Maybe something in the future that we don't know about yet. It only makes sense for them to bring Coco to Mexico, right? Norway. Canada. These are amazing. Whoever designed these did a great job. In Germany. And over here, this is all like the new stuff. Mary Poppins. They're bringing the new films to China and France. And the American Adventure. More Mary Poppins, Maelstrom, Extinct, hashtag Find Buzzy.
Those are so cool.
And the Universe of Energy. Over here, this is describing what the Epcot experience is. Welcome to a place that celebrates the magic of possibility and always has right from the very beginning.
Sorry, we're good.
This is the theater, it's very popular. It's seamless from the top to the bottom of the ground.
Everywhere we go, want to be alive with personality, changing forward and fighting as we play. Let me go.
And now, let's go over to Epcot's World Showcase, where we bring together cultures and ideas from around the globe. Some spectacular new films are coming. Let's take a peek at one of them. Wondrous China. Everyone's favorite little shop is coming to France. As the day fades and dusk turns to night, Epcot comes to life in a global celebration of Disney music. Where the magic of possibility awaits.
Ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank you for your visit today for Walt Disney Imagineering and the Epcot experience.
Over by the photo opportunities, they've got the Guardians of the Galaxy ride car there. And then here they have a Guardians of the Galaxy layout. Get ready to rock out. This is where you'll be going on the ride. They have a Nova Corpse jacket here. And some concept art. That's the ride vehicle, concept art. And then over here they have a Mary Poppins photo opportunity. Hopefully we get some more info about this ride soon. They've got some Mary Poppins Returns movie props. That's a concept art picture of Cherry Tree Lane. I think that these are from the movie. It's just super cool. They got her bag, certificate of shares. Even more posters going along the edges of the theater. This is the outside of the theater. They put the posters all over these walls. And then over here, if any of you are confused about like what exactly is coming to Epcot, they have a floor to ceiling wallpaper of the concept art. You can see right here for scale. This gentleman's probably 6 feet tall and it goes all the way up here. It's super cool. This is a great view of everything. You can see all the way from the entrance all the way to the back of the World Showcase. We got the Funkus playing. Let's copyrighted. I don't want that in the video. That's some concept art of Harmonious, which is in the premiere next year. We don't know when though. There's the new Festival Center. And all the way over here is the Space 220 restaurant. Guardians. Get one more view of this over here. The new entrance, literally everything. They did this so quickly, it's amazing how good this is for the time, for how fast they did it. At the Mouse Gear entrance closest to Test Track is where all the new Epcot merchandise is. They sold that out of the jacket, as far as I know. But it's got the old/new logo on it on the sleeve. What does it look like? That's like the retro promo. Got the model. That's super cool. What's the price on this? 30 bucks? Yeah, $29.99. And then they have the same one over here, but it's like a light blue. Justin, you want to try some stuff on? Yeah, it's a light blue. Over here, they've got just the Epcot logo. Same thing here. And the mug. Limit 2 per style per guest. This stuff's very popular. Looks pretty cool. Over here, they've got a little Figment. This is really cool. You can like feel it. Epcot Forever. This is awesome. These are really good quality. And then the same Epcot mug right here. They got lots of these. Alright.
Just saying.
I think that that's Dustin actually.
Will it fit him?
Dustin, what do you think?
Dustin's got a capsule.
So yeah, that's all the new Epcot merch. The stuff's very simple, but it's awesome. The logo's great. Alright, I didn't realize there was more merch. They got the same shirts here. And they got a tote bag right here with the Epcot logo in different fonts, styles, and colors. And then they've got the classic logo right here on this shirt. And a little notepad. That looks good. And then I think the last thing is this hat. I don't know what this has to do with Epcot. Ooh, Epcot Forever, I lied. There's more shirts. Epcot Forever shirt. Figment! One little spark. That looks
awesome.
cool.
Very cool.
Dustin wants it all. Is there anything over here? Is it the same stuff? Yeah, this isn't anything new. Ooh, rose gold. Maybe that's a teaser for like the 50th anniversary. They're gonna change the castle rose gold. Breaking news. Alright, but yeah, new stuff over at Mouse Gear. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're coming out to Walt Disney World, make sure to check out the Epcot experience. A lot of people don't know it's there because it was in the former Odyssey Pavilion, but make sure to check it out. It's awesome. The whole posters, models, screens, everything. You gotta check it out. I hope you enjoyed today's video though. Make sure to click that subscribe button if you're excited about all of Epcot's changes so you don't miss a video. All the construction updates I'm going to be doing here on the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.